So you've been looking all throughout the Las Vegas Valley for a new townhouse or a condo to live in. What if I told you you could buy a brand new condo with all the features that you want for zero down in any part of town you want to live in? Would that interest you? It would definitely interest me. Let's pop up this map of the Las Vegas Valley showing the multifamily communities that Lennar is building all throughout the Las Vegas Valley. Some of these homes are located in Henderson, which include the McCauley, the Inspire Collection, which is located in Inspirada in Henderson. The Waverly Collection, which is also located in Henderson. You could be in Valley Vista, located in North Las Vegas at the Roxbury community. There's Altair and Emerson Bradford Collection, both located near the M. But at the community I visited, called Winslow, they have the Bloomfield model, which features 1,545 square feet, where in some other communities they have one called the Saratoga, which is just a larger of the same floor plan with 1,786 square feet. But with all that said, let's make a little more haste and get out there and get this tour started. It'll be coming up for you right after this intro. Hey residents, what's going on today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking at builder model homes as well as existing inventory to make your next shopping experience for your next home all the more easy. And on today's tour, we are up here in the Winslow community. We are looking over the Bloomfield model. It is a condo. And this floor plan features 1,545 square feet and 2 stories with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, front porch, which we just came inside off of, all starting at $319,990. This is built by Lennar, so everything is included. I'll do my best as we do this tour to go through all those said features. As we come inside, you're immediately greeted into the front entry as well as the great room. To the left is your dining room, and to the right is your living area, and straight ahead is the kitchen. They have this beautiful granite on your countertop, which will be included. It may not be this particular granite, but they will have options at the design studio for you. You'll get 42-inch upper cabinetry in a few different color options with a crown molding on top. You'll also get a stainless steel appliance package from GE with the refrigerator, the gas range, the microwave, as well as the dishwasher. The front area here is a fair size. The dining room is 9'4" by 9'4", and the living area is 11'7" by 17'10". So that's a really nice size area. There is a bedroom back over to the left over here. We'll take a look at that here in just a second. And the cabinetry right to the left there, that's going to be your pantry. The flooring in this home is going to be carpet throughout, with the exception of the wet areas, which include the entry, the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathrooms. And in those areas, you'll get a vinyl flooring that will be resilient to that water, and a few different design options, which you'll be able to choose at the design studio to make it your own. And then there's your smart panel box right there. This home actually features an engineered Wi-Fi system, which is a mesh Wi-Fi system from EuroPro 6. You also get a Ring doorbell as well as a full Ring security kit. You'll get My Q on your garage door, which will basically give you an app on your phone. You can control your garage door from your phone, get notifications when it opens and closes. You'll have smart thermostats with the Z-Wave as well as a smart lock on your front door. Here's the first bedroom. It is on the main floor. This room is 10'0" by 10'4", and then it has its own bathroom right here, which also works as the guest bathroom. It has a built-in shower which is fiberglass with the subway tile look, as well as a single vanity with the matching cabinetry. There's a really nice closet with storage underneath the stairs here. And then your garage is going to be at the end of the hallway that we came into this bathroom from. The garage is going to be a 2-bay garage, which is 19'8" by 23'3". It will have a tankless water heater in there, as well as a soft water lube. And there's actually a small space out there where you can put a bench or some extra storage. Let's go ahead straight on upstairs. You come straight into a loft area. This is a really convenient area. It is 10'0" by 9'10", and then there's the owner suite and the second bedroom off of each side. We're coming into the owner suite first. This is 12'8" by 12'10". You'll be noticing the two-tone paint on the wall. LENNAR does have their own type of texture on the wall. You don't really see it in many other homes. You also have really nice baseboards included with the home as well. There's the master bathroom. You have a nice small plant shelf there with the soaking tub as well as the separate shower. Really nice feature to have. It does have a seat built in there as well as the dual vanities with the rectangular undermount sinks with the matching cabinetry that you chose downstairs. The countertops in here are a cultured marble with a full-length mirror on the wall there for you as well. There's a water closet, and then back here is the walk-in closet. I actually kind of like how they have this built out, how it's connected to the end of the bathroom like that and around the corner. Kind of keeps it out of sight, out of mind almost in a way. I really felt it added to the functionality of the room very well. And then unlike most builders who put in a pony wall, you will get a mission style stair railing along your stairwell. You'll have flat screen hookups in the great room as well as the primary suite. And then you'll have ceiling fans in every single one of your rooms. That's a really nice feature to have, along with the faux wood blinds that LENNAR puts in. It really does save you quite a bit of money after you move into your home, so you don't have to put that stuff in yourself. There's the final bathroom right over here. It's across the hall. It is a full bathroom as well with a single vanity with the shower tub combo. And then all part of LENNAR's package, if you chose to use it, they do have their own mortgage company as well as title, escrow, insurance, and they have a nice warranty on their homes as well. There's their laundry area. It does have that stackable washer and dryer, and that's included as well. And then finally, this community does have a little bit higher of an HOA, but it does have a decent amount of value with it at $230 a month. There's a pool, there's a cabana, there's a park area. It's gated. You get your exterior taken care of. It's really, really nice. But with that said, that's going to about wrap it up for today's tour. Well, residents, what do you think of the Bloomfield model? Would you like this particular floor plan with the size that it is? Would you prefer the larger Saratoga floor plan? What part of town would you live in? What part of Las Vegas would you prefer to live in? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get a discussion started down there. I want to hear back from every single one of you. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm to make sure this video gets discovered by more people just like you. And if you do want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe and smash that bell notification so you don't miss a single tour when I upload on Fridays. I would like to personally thank LENNAR for allowing us to come out and film these models and get these videos prepared just for you. And make sure you come right back next week to tour the Sherwood with me. It is the final in this series. It's a little bit bigger than this particular Bloomfield model, but either way, we'll have fun touring it together. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today and sticking all the way to the end of the video. We'll see you guys next week for the Sherwood tour. Later.
Get me out of here.